Hey guys, what's up? I'm Patrick of CoasterFanatics, and today I'm bringing you another construction update. After the huge success of Steel Vengeance in 2018, Cedar Point is at it again and have been hard at work on their brand new roller coaster for 2019, the Indigestor. Once again, the park is pretending this roller coaster doesn't exist and have continually tortured us with 19-second long teasers with the hashtag They're Coming. Today, however, this time I can confirm They're Coming actually refers to the trains. Yes, the Indigestor will run 3 trains with 3 different themes. Those themes include the butter knife, the soup spoon, and the mighty salad fork. Unfortunately, the butter knife and soup spoon trains are still in the process of being assembled. Luckily for you guys, Cedar Point has given me exclusive access to the mighty salad fork train, which has already been assembled and ready for testing. So this is the salad fork train in all its glory. I could talk about the train's fork seats and highly detailed chrome fork handle theming, but instead I want to focus on the giant fork that was placed in the center of the train. A quick look from underneath will show that this is a vintage and highly detailed Lady Doris silver-plated salad fork. Also underneath you'll find an ornate floral design inlaid into the handle. It's too bad it's on the bottom because no one is actually going to see this. Luckily the top more than makes up for it. This fork features the familiar shape we all know and love. The handle starts off wide and narrows all the way to the center before widening again to form the head of the fork. The silver plating is eye-catching and really glows in the sun. It might be a good idea to wear sunglasses on this coaster. A closer look at the back will reveal an even fancier floral design than the one underneath. The twisted trim on the side looks awesome as it straightens out into a finely detailed beveled edge that runs up the side of the handle. The front of this fork is where the magic happens. Once again, another decorative floral design is inlaid into the head. This particular fork has a wide 4-prong layout that leads into 4 very sharp points. Cedar Point chose this design for better aerodynamics and the fact that it just looks awesome. Still, hopefully it never collides with the butter knife and soup spoon trains in the future. All I have to say is put a fork in it. This is the best looking train at Cedar Point. The mighty salad fork train definitely puts Top Thrill Dragster, Gatekeeper, and Steel Vengeance to shame. If you guys think it looks great on the transfer track, wait until you see it run.